Hi everyone and welcome to Oscar Outdoors. Join me in this one as I do a quick overnighter before work tomorrow. Right, well, welcome back everyone. As a little intro tonight, I'm just going to do a quick solo overnighter in the local permission woodland. Just because I'm frustrated being stuck inside, to be honest. I've been, Mick and Dan have been really active coming out and metal detecting and whatnot, but it's just been a little bit more difficult for me with work, with kids being off school at the moment and with my wife being at work as well as other commitments in scouting as well. So it's just been a little bit difficult at the minute. So yeah, I'm out tonight just doing a quick solo. Now it looked like I've packed to go to Mount Everest, doesn't it? Just want to tell you a little story as well. I've just recently started climbing again. If you're a friend on Facebook, you'll have seen that I've been going climbing and taking kids climbing and whatnot, and I've been tonight, and that's what all this, you see all that? No, you can't, it's too bright with light on. I've got chalk all over my hands basically, and that's not because I'm scruffy, it's just because after climbing I went to got a local Aldi to pick up some food so I could come and cook for this camp, and realised I'd lost my wallet. So I flew back to the climbing hub, not there, and as I'm there I get a notification on my phone that my card's trying to be used at Greg's. So some chances found my wallet and then tried to use my card. Luckily I'm skint. No, luckily what I do is I turn my card off until I need to use it, because I don't use it that often. It's more online and stuff like that, so luckily I have it turned off. So I've not lost any money. It's just my driving license were in there and everything, so I'm just a little bit frustrated and annoyed. So I won't going to drink tonight at all, but I have picked up just 2 cans because I'm working again tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm going to get set up and I'll see you in a minute. Right, now finally set up. I'm going to start cooking because it is knocking on a bit now. So I've just been to local Lidl with my wife's bank card. As I said earlier, mine's been half inched. But yeah, just a couple of muffins, 20p. Couple of cans of Jack. Got this sticky barbecue sauce. Couple of burgers, I think they're about 30% off. Oh, 97 pence. Not bad, is it? Then some cracked black pepper cheddar slices. Is that it? Oh yeah, my Hammock accessories. And I think that's it. Oh, and a chocolate bar. So yeah, lighting's not brilliant, but I've gone through what I could do setting up. So I'm in my bespoke hammock and gone into it a little bit more depth than I have done in the past. The Lawnmower Water Sports tarp over the top, and then just a little hammock tips underneath the string net holding it up. Right, let's get cooking because I am starving. Right, so I've gone and brought everything I could think of apart from a screwdriver to reattach my pan handle, so I'm going to have to live without it, I'm afraid. But yeah, I'm just going to get to cooking. Turn down. In fact, just watch how quickly this goes orange. Look at that. Can you see the orange glow on there? That's phenomenal. So yeah, I've just added in a little bit of the barbecue sauce. I'm not going to stand on ceremony tonight. I'm absolutely starving. So I'm just going to whack these burgers in. If I can get into them. That's the way to do it. So yeah, only 2 burgers. But they are quite hefty as well. Sorry about the lighting. Lighting's a bit bright, isn't it? Just roll them around there. And that one. Get that sauce spread on. And because it's me, I couldn't go without bringing a little bit of Scotch spice. So just salt, pepper and chilli flakes mixed together really. But yeah. Right, let them cook for a bit. Same on this side. Just added a little bit of the sauce to the top. Cook it in the sauce rather than add it to the burger, and it's less messy. Adds a little bit of flavour to it as well. So I've turned them a couple more times since I last brought you back. I've just turned the heat up now, just to start browning them off a little bit, but they're cooking really nicely. Right then, we are almost done. Finishing touch, I'm just going to leave them for another minute, and then I'm going to add the cheese onto the top whilst it's in the pan. Just nibbled a bit of cheese. Just going to add that on now. 1 and 2. Just give that a minute or two just to sort of melt in, and then we'll give them a bash. Right then. So I'm going to get them out and straight onto here. This is just a tray that the burgers came in. Look at that. A dragonfly or something there. But they've been on about a minute or so, maybe a little bit longer with the cheese. Oh, look at that bugger. I hope my camera got that. Come here, you. Can you see him? And we'll go again with this one. Ah, come on. Lighting's a bit poor, isn't it? Take it from me. They look very nice. Just to show you that they do look nice, look, I've brought you in for a closer look there. cheese is just starting to melt. Lovely. Let's turn this pan off. Right, let's tuck in. Right, well, I'm just going to have a burger and now one of these Jack Daniels and Cokes. These aren't that bad at all. I don't know if they're 119 or 129 from Lidl. I just dropped it and forgot. Oh. Yeah, it's knocking on now as well, 11 o'clock. So, cheers everyone. I'm going to enjoy my burgers. I've just unplugged the microphone, so sorry if the audio is a bit rubbish, but can you see that? Perfect burgers. Just cooked all the way through. Right, see you soon. Well, I had my tea. Not much else left for me to do. I've got to get up for work in the morning, so I've got to be up for about 5, start work at 8. So I've just had that one can. Thought it's not worth it. So yeah, I'm going to get some shut eye, and hopefully I'll be up early and I'll see you in the morning. Well, I am safely tucked up in bed. My zips where I like them. The one wing hammock quilt already keeping me nice and warm. So yeah, unless anything exciting happens, I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, it's 4:15. I've just been woken up by the gentle rumble of rain. I can always rely on nature's alarm clocks. Right, by my reckoning, I've still got an hour. See you soon. Well, it's coming up about 20 to 5 now anyway. And I just checked the battery on my phone and realised it's on like 14%. So it looks like my power bank's failed or the cable's failed or something, so I'll have to have a look into that. So the rest of the video is just going to be me packing away and off I trot to work really. So if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, let me know what you thought. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next